Is your 2020 Ram 1500 key fob not working? Don't panic. The most common culprit is a dead battery. Replace the CR2032 battery inside the fob. This fixes 60% of issues. If battery replacement doesn't work, reset the radio frequency hub. Disconnect your RAM's battery for 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect it. This resets the hub's memory, like rebooting a computer. After the reset, relearn the key fob. Quickly insert and remove the ignition key multiple times while pressing the fob's buttons. This allows the truck to recognize the fob again. If you're still having issues after this, proceed to the next section. When basic fixes like battery replacement and RF hub reset fail, the RF hub module itself may be faulty, especially with intermittent failures. In this case, visit a Stellantis dealership for replacement and verify your warranty coverage. Software-driven diagnostics are becoming more common for DIY troubleshooting. Stellantis is integrating AI-assisted tools in their app, helping owners diagnose key fob issues remotely without visiting a dealership. Looking ahead, digital keys accessed via smartphones are expected to become standard in future RAM models, reducing dependence on physical key fobs. Preventative maintenance, such as annual RF hub checks after over-the-air updates, can help prevent issues. By 2030, experts predict that improved cybersecurity and encryption will significantly reduce key fob problems, leading to more secure and reliable vehicle systems overall.